In this tutorial, I will add a dog-leg stair in an east-west direction. Let us open the south elevation. Open the dialog box. Select C for east-west grid line and 3 for north-south grid. Select level 1 and level 2 for the bottom and top level. Suppose this stair has 9 risers in the first flight and 8 risers in the second flight. Let the tread length be 250 and stair width 1000. Waist slab thickness is 265. The stair has left run. Stair well is 200. Landing length is equal to stair width, that is 1000. The landing thickness is 250. This stair starts and ends with riser for the first flight. And for second flight it starts with a riser and ends with tread. Select the arrow pointing towards the west direction. Select the right stair turn. Click the OK button. Select the appropriate bottom and top slab. Save the family to construct the stair in the drawing. Observe the stair in the drawing. Open the 3D view to study the stair.